Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Okay, today we will discuss the BI roles and responsibilities. Before I will give the idea, based on that, you can understand the what I will explain in this concept. See here, to develop any application, lot of things is happening. First, we need to collect the requirement from the client. So the senior people are doing this one. They are collecting the information from the client, and also they are meeting with the technical person, and they will make the blueprint how to develop application in a given period. So here the what are the software we need to develop the application, then what type of the developer we need, when to finish, how to do. So this is the one you learn this SDLC, software development life cycle. So here BI roles and responsibilities can be classified into two types. One is program roles, and another one is the project roles. See here on the screen you have a one table which classified the BI roles and responsibilities. One is program roles. In a program roles, we have the BI program manager. So, hello. What his roles we will discuss. And in this side, in project role, business manager is there. And here in program roles, after BI program manager, we have the BI data architect, BI ETL architect. What type of data architect we need, what his work, and what type of ETL, that is tool we need, definitely to get the right information. So BI technical architect, metadata manager, these are the persons comes in the program roles. And in project roles, we have a business manager. See, these are the very professional persons. They have the knowledge and also very important responsibilities in a team to develop the good applications. BI business specialist, BI project manager, business requirement analyst, decision support analyst, BI designer, ETL specialist, data administration. So again, I am saying that to develop one applications, lot of specialist comes, as I am telling that even to install the software, to support, to develop the applications, and also to design the database, data architect is very, very important. And to design the applications, we need a designer. And to write a developer, we need a right kind of persons to develop the applications. And also, lastly, implement the project. Here, For business intelligence, to get a correct information, lot of persons comes. See, in first BI programmer, what his work? The programmer manager is responsible for several projects. See, not only only one project he is concentrating. He is concentrating more projects. Keep in this mind while listening this one. What are the who are the specialists comes to develop one applications here, and also we have to relate this to the BI. So program manager has a lot of responsibilities of projects. He ethics out the BI strategy. The program manager has a strategy. He has the knowledge. And what are the responsibilities of program manager? See on the screen, I will show the skills need program manager. See, the program manager has a clear understanding of organization strategy, strategic objectives, and aligns the objectives of the BI project with it. See, he must know the objectives of the organization, strategic objectives. It means that long-term, clear, and whole idea about his business organization. And also he must have the skills explicitly defines a matrix to measure and monitor the progress on each objectives and goal. And also he has to measure the whether the progress or business going towards the our goal or not. So there are so many ways to measure the progress. He plans and budgets the project, distributes tasks, allocate resource, and follows up on the progress of the project. Program manager have to plan the budgets. How much money we need to complete the project, and what are the tasks I need to means project manager, program manager need to allocate to whom. So you must know everything. He identifies measures of success, means that whether the project or organization is running with success or not, he has to identify. He measures the success in terms of return on investment. So say for example, you invested 5 crore rupees for a business, and in a year you are getting a 1 crore profit. That is 20% is income. So to get the entire invested amount, you need a 5 years, because in a year you are getting a 1 crore profit. You invested 5 crore rupees. So to get the entire invested amount, you need a 5 years. So he must know everything. Hello, are you getting? I mean, somebody respond me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, in program roles, second person is the BI data architect. See here, as the name suggests that BI data architect has must have some skills, owns accountability for enterprise data, ensures proper definition, storage, distribution, replication, archiving, and management of data. So entirely data architect must have the knowledge about how to store the data, how to get the data management. So how to manage the data architect must know. He must have the skills about this one. And the third one is in a programming roles. We have a BI ETL architect. ETL means extract, transform, and load architect. That is one tool we are using in a data warehouse to get the data from the different sources. Here, main thing, this ETL architect, we must know what type of ETL we need. Definitely, we need a ETL. It takes the data from different sources, different database sources, and transform into one format. Then we need to load into the data warehouse. So ETL architect must know about ETL tool. Training project ETL specialist on data acquisition, transformation, and loading. He must give the training to the ETL tool specialist who are using the ETL tool for their work. The BI ETL architect must give the training. So it is his work. And BI technical architect. So the name itself says that technical. Whatever the technical issues, he must address the issue. So that is here, interface with operation staffs, interface with technical staff. So what are the see, interface with DBA staff? We need a different technology to do this one. Interface, that is what interface or tool or technology. Evaluate and select BI tools. So he can select the tools for the work. Those are ETL for analysis, for reporting tools. So the technical architect can choose the technical related or debug the technical related issues, or he can ensure about the technology and estimate system capacity to meet near and long-term processing requirements. He can estimate, define BI strategy and processes for C. Definition of technical architect for BI environment, hardware requirement, DBMS requirement, middleware requirements, network requirements, server configuration, client configuration. So these are all related to the technical issues. What are the hardware requirements we need to develop the application? See what type of database management system we need, then what type of middleware, that is antivirus softwares we need to develop the applications, then what type of network requirements, server configuration, client configurations. So these are all related to the technical architect must know all this. Define the strategy and process for data backup and recovery and disaster recovery. This is very important. Last point is very important. Every technical architect must know this one. So define the strategy and process of data backup. See, we for everything data backup is very important, and also data recovery is very important. See, sometimes what happens, all of suddenly while running the organizations, there may be a possibility that the interrupted due to interrupt or due to some disaster, earthquake, entire hardware may be destructed. So in that case, we after some time we need to get the whatever we have done, that is recovery, and also data backup. These are very important skills we need. So these skills are the BI architect can do this one. And metadata manager, see simple example again, metadata manager, and he is explaining metadata means data about data. See simple examples I will give. See, when we retrieve, what type of and who is retrieve data about data. Okay, I retrieve a data. I am giving you the example about the metadata. See, who is retrieving, when he is retrieving. This is all about data I am giving the examples. So here metadata helps understand the data. It means that what type of data it is, metadata helps. The metadata manager keep track of the following activities. See what he can do. Say here, structure of data, that is technical metadata, level of details of data, when was the ETL job performed, so when was the data warehouse updated, who accessed the data and when, application metadata, what is the frequency of access. So this is all about related to the some work, and metadata manager can seeing this one, keep tracking these activities. And next one is BI administrative. That's the last specialist in the program manager program roles. Administrator means here he can take care the design and architecture of the entire BI environment. So, and architect the metadata layer. Who is doing? Administrator. BI administrator is has the responsibility. Monitor the health or progress of the entire BI environment. Manage the security of the BI environment. This is also very, very important. Monitor all scheduled jobs such as ETL jobs, scheduled reports for business users, etc. See, monitor and tune the performance of the entire BI environment. This is doing and take care by the BI administrator. Maintain the version control of all the objects in the BI environment. Mainly, BI administrator is taken care of the entire things. Something want to give the authentication or so many other whom to delete and whatever. Okay, the second part of the BI is BI project team roles. See here, again see here, the business manager plays the role of the monitoring the project team from the user group perspectives. The roles performed by him or her can be listed here. Business manager, especially in BI project team, he is monitoring the project team. Monitoring means their how they are working. Are they working towards the goal? To act as the sponsor representing the user group. See here, to act as a sponsor representing the user group means that the higher authorities given the sponsorship to develop the applications. Those are the executive team of the organizations. They are the sponsors to develop the project. He is act like a sponsor. He is representing the sponsor. Sponsors means major persons who can take the decision. So he is act like a sponsor person. The main thing is he is monitoring the project team, monitoring the activities of the product team. Obviously, this activities comes under activities of the project team, how they are doing, addressing the business issues defined by the project manager. See, project manager must know the entire things, what type of applications we need. So that is very, very important. And nowadays, in a software industry, the role of these persons I am explaining now, and it is for your syllabus. These persons must have the very good knowledge, entire knowledge. They are the very efficient professionals, and they are getting the money like anything. Yearly 20 lakh per annum, 25 lakh per annum, because their responsibilities are very, very important, because they are the persons know about the how the project should be. So in every step they are monitoring everything, even the data architect, technical persons, as I explained in the program roles. In the project team, the business manager is the one person, he is monitoring the project team. BI business specialist here. Each project team requires at least one ETE, full-time employees resource having expertise in the business area of the focus. See, one person in a team must know in each project team, the person who knows everything, and he is the BI business specialist. BI business specialist helps in the identifying the suitable data usage and structure for the business functional areas. He know about the suitable data. He know about the business functional data. The knowledge of BI specialist ensures that information is identified correctly at the required level itself. See, starting to the end, this person know the what type of information need, correct information need from the application. So this is a general concept. Hello, are you getting? Hello, somebody respond me. Hello, 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 are you getting? All the modes of accessing and analyzing data are enabled. So about data accessing and analyzing, he must be he must have the knowledge about this one. The analysis and accessing helps. BI project manager. See here, BI project manager takes up the responsibilities of leading the project and ensuring delivery of all the project needs. Also, the project manager translates business needs into technical terms and ensures adherence to all the business standards and BI processes. Whatever the needs of clients, it must be transferred into the technical terms. So who can do this one? Project manager can do this one, and he must have the following responsibilities: understand the existing business process. What is the existing business process? Then what we need to do: analyze existing decision support and executive information system to understand their functionalities. He must analyze the existing system and to implement the required information. Understand subject matter. He must understand the subject matter. See, he need a lot of skills. Anticipate and judge what users may want. Manage expectations of the project. Scope an increment. Develop project plan for an increment. Motivate team members. See, and he is the person, he must motivate the team members every day, and required time he has to take the meetings with his team and motivate and give the guidance to the team to develop the applications. So evaluate team members, and also he must see, the project manager must evaluate the team members. The team members, it may be the 4, 5, 6. It depends on the model, depends on the project. The team members are there. He has to evaluate the team members, who is doing what and how he is doing. If somebody is doing good, he has to find out the person, and he must encourage the employee who is doing good. Hello. 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 Somebody respond me. Are you getting? Am I audible? Hello. Project manager can also manage the project, coordinate with the program manager to ensure standards, coordinate with other project managers to share the information, understand organizational architecture. He must understand the organizational architecture, implement warehousing specific standards. So that is very important. Communicate with all other team members. He must communicate with all other team members. And the second one is, next one is the business requirement analyst. See, the business requirement analyst maintains a synchronized handshake between the end users and the BI project team and perform requirements gathering. It is the business requirements analyzer's responsibility to see. He has some responsibility. Who? Business requirement analyst. question the end user to determine requirements, keeping in view all the aspects like data reports, analysis, metadata, performance, etc. See, business requirement analyst, he can ask the question to the end user who are using the applications to get the information. So it is very important. Work with architect to transfer requirements into technical specification. And this business requirement analyst, he has to work with architect. So that is, he must transfer requirement to technical specification. Document requirements, he has to do the documentation of requirements. Who can do this one? Business requirement analyst. See, these are very, very important responsibilities of some persons. Like I have been explaining this one. Today's class is very, very important to understand what is going on while developing the one application. And here he is taking the examples of business intelligence tools. Okay. Help identify and assess the potential data sources. That is very important. Recommend appropriate scope of requirements and priorities. He is recommending the potential data sources. Recommend appropriate scope of requirements and priorities. Validate the data meets requirements and service level agreements. Coordinate prototype reviews. Gather prototype feedbacks. See, main thing is he is the main skill of this business requirement analyst is he is asking the end user some questions. What type of report you need? What type of data you need? How the performance you need? Based on that, he is doing, and he is also communicating with the architect to transform the information into technical. So then the decision support analyst, sorry. See, the next person is the support analyst. He must have the educate users on warehouse capabilities, analyze business information requirements, design training infrastructure, discover business transformation rules, work with production data to validate business requirements. So these are the very, very important skills. The support analyst must these skills. So many skills. See here, lot of skills. Just I left you to go through this. Simply, I will explain some necessary things. Develop necessary reports. See here means that this person develop the necessary reports, not unnecessary things. Define business rules for state detections. Write the user's guide. See, he is writing the how to use the tool, that is how to use the tools, and all the guidance rules are writing by this person. This he is a support analyst. Support. He know that how to use the tools. Supporting person's skills. Plan, accept, and test. The train BI users who is using the BI, and he will give the train, implement the support plan, assist users in finding the right information. See, support staff must know how to use the technology. That is one thing you have to remember. And the next one is the BI designers. See, they have to create the subject area model and create the review the business enterprise model. Generally, the designers are creating the model, interpret requirement, create a logical staging area model, create structure staging area model. See, these are the BI designers aims to designing the data structure of optimal access, performance, and integrations. Main thing, designing the data structure for optimal access. Designing essentially plays a key role while building a new data sets as required for supporting the business needs. See, so many things he is designing. Create a structured dimensional model, create physical dimensional model. You can understand very easily. You go through this one. And next one is a ETL specialist. See, in programming section, he must know what type of ETL. And here in project team, the who are doing using the work. See, specialist must know, understand both the source and the target BI systems. It means that where he is getting the data and where he is putting the data. ETL specialist must know this one. Identify data sources, assess the data sources, create sources, target mapping, apply business rules. So simple thing is, if I want to explain in simple way, he is the person, he can take the data and put it in the data warehouse in proper way. So to do that, he must know the knowledge, coordinate with the program level ETL architect and the database administrator in project team. See, he can design, he can implement and tune the database schemas. About database schema, you know this, you learned in the DBMS. See, simple example is data schema of student table is student roll number, student name, and classes, subjects. The first row of the table is called schema of the student table. Who is designing? Database administrator is there. Conduct the regular performance testing and tuning to know the performance. Manage storage space and memory. He can manage the storage space and memory. Conduct capacity planning. Create and optimize physical table and priorities. Administrative tables, triggers, etc. are very, very important. So these are all the BI roles and responsibilities, and we categorize it in broadly two types. One is the program, another in the project level, and each level briefly we discussed. Okay, and next one is what are the best practices in BI or DW? DW means data warehouse, BI means business intelligence. See, main thing is only I will point out the what are the best practices in the BI and DW. User first design. User is the first. Keep in that mind. Then we need to design. Create new values. We need to create the new values. In detail, see, first thing is the best practice means that user first. Create new values. In detailed, just you go through this one. Attend to human impacts. We have to attend the human impacts. We need to consider this one. BI projects are known to be the less technology centric and more people centric. The whatever the technology, it should be the people centric. So BI support decision making at the strategic, technical, and operational levels. This business intelligence to take the decisions, it supports in strategic, that is a broad level, technical, that is a technological level, operational, that is a performance level. It must. So the next one is the focus on information and analytics. So this is very, very important. First, we need to take the data, and from that we make a information, and we must have the knowledge and insight and impact. So this is a one chain. The transformation of raw data to business benefits through BI may be depicted at this is the, we need to take the data and make information, and on that we have to know what, how, and where. Then we will come to know the business insights and also how it will impact. We can analyze. And the next best practice is practice active data stewardship, means quality data. That is very, very important. In detail about stewardship and this quality data, we'll discuss in the next chapter. Practice active data stewardship means we must define the data which should be the quality data. Manage BI as long-term investment. One more thing, this BI applications, as I told you, that it is for the long-term investment. It is not for the small industries, and who are running the small industries, they are not following this one. This investment for the long-term investment. Reach out with BI and DW solutions. Definitely we need to reach out with the business intelligence data warehouse solutions. Make BI a business initiatives. Obviously, it is important for the business to start the business. And the next one is measure results. Obviously, in everything, we must measure the results. Whether even the business is running good or bad, how to measure, that is so many ways we have things through which we can make the results, through it measure. Attend to strategic positioning. These are all the important practice in BI and DW. The complete BI professionals, obviously, while developing the BI tools, so there must be a professionals. They must have the good skills. So they specialize in data modeling, metadata manager, data quality, data governance, master data management, data integration, data warehousing, content management, enterprise information management, business intelligence, business analyst, performance management. So these specialists we need in a complete business professionals. So these are the specialists we need. Yeah, just explained. So in detailed, these are some skills about these specialists. So in 2 minutes, I will explain what are some popular BI tools. See, we need a tools, RDBMS tools, that is a relational database management tools. We have a NetEdge 4.6, NCR, Teradata 13, Sybase IQ, Oracle 11G, Microsoft SQL Server 2008, DB2 connector 9.7. These are the RDBMS tools. ETL tools, we have the Informatica tools, IBM Data Storage 8.5 tool, AB Initio 3.0.2 tool, Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, SSIC, IS 2008 tools. So analysis tools, these are just you remember these tools. You may get the what are the RDBMS tools, what are the ETL tools, what are the analysis tools. You may get the questions. So these are the some tools of respective tools. And analysis tools, IBM SPSS 9 tool is there, SAS tool is there, so many tools we have. So this is all about today's class. Reporting tools we have, MicroStrategy, SAP Business Objects, IBMS. Any questions? Open source tools are there. Just you go there.
Sir, when a portion is completed?
Why? Hello, Chetana. Ketan.
Ketan, sir.
Oh, okay, Ketan. Why? See, if everything is smooth, I mean, network and everything, I may finish within this month. If every day possible leap again 12, 13 or 15 classes if I take. So thing is that